Oh no, this game is like based solely around jump scares. Share with other people, fatten them up, and then they will be a delicious meal as well. I see where you're going with this. You scare me. Okay. Oh, yeah, warehouse areas are always good. Rife with batteries, right? Batteries everywhere. Abundant battery. Game, give me some batteries. Some batteries. Am I barefoot? Oh, God, I'm barefoot. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Where was that? I don't... No! Oh! Oh, no, please, no, that's alright, I like my face! No.
You stay there and cook.
Okay, obviously no. No. Get the fuck out of there! Woo!
No! You were mine!
Should I be running? Oh, I bet that guy could catch up with me if I'm not there. Fucking need batteries. Fucking need batteries. Batteries! Fucking need batteries. Need some more batteries. Batteries. Oh, the heartburn. Exit! That's a lie. That's a fucking lie. Something's gonna happen. Or door don't work. I gotta go up the middle of whatever the fuck this is. Is this church? I don't want to be at church. I don't like church. No. Something to read. Woo! Whoa. Well, if I'm trying to sneak, I can't be running. Because if I'm running with my bare feet, I'm making all sorts of flappy noises. Alright, let's switch it to a different voice. Father Clark, far be it for me to lie to a man of God. So let me at least say, you're welcome, excuse me, that I will do my personal best to improve the safety of your working conditions. I and the rest of the staff truly appreciate everything you do for our patients, and if you feel threatened by anybody in particular, simply let us know. We can either increase chemical restraints, or administer a lobotomy, or similar calming procedure. Don't underestimate the contribution your sermons offer our patients, especially considering the depth and necessarily chaotic nature of hypnotherapy. Our patients need the bedrock of God and family. Not all of our poor unfortunates have families to call upon, and so the burden and calling is yours. We are all of us relying on your faith and hard work. Good job, bro. Keep it up. Like, totally take your message to the flock, dude. You're like a shepherd, bro. Okay, so here we are at the back of the church. No batteries on the floor. There's nothing back here. There's not a damn thing. Why did I even come back here? The exit doesn't work. I gotta go back out here, and I bet Hacky McHackersaw is out here. Oh, dude, you were just trying to get some confessions. Confess your sins. Can I? Nope, that's not. Oh, God. I don't want to go back out in front of there. No, don't Badoop. Don't Badoop. Don't Badoop. Ram you. Ow, 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 ow. Steam hurts. Apparently. Oh, he can't get to me. Okay. 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 Now, batteries. Batteries, 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 batteries. Batteries, please. Batteries! Okay. Okay. Grab that one. Yeah. Battery. Why did it look like it was telling me to pick up another battery? Why is there nowhere to go? Fuck me and the goat beard. Alright. Fuck. I don't wanna be here anymore. Like to go home to Lisa. She plays a mean saxophone. Saxophone. Seriously? I mean, what the fuck? Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Okay, I guess now that I see the ladder. Thanks for letting me know where to go, bro. Oof. Ooh, don't like this. How do I get up there? I don't like this. I don't like this. This is like old school Prince of Persia shit. I don't like this. I don't like... Oh, and the strings. The strings are picking up. I don't like this. I don't like this. Not a single fucking bit. No, motherfucker. I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about life insurance policies. You guys got life insurance policies? You guys really should have life insurance policies. It's a good thing to have. If you don't, you can contact your local insurance agent. Get some life insurance! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck right off! No, fuck you! 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 Can I not? No, I can't. Fuck. No, 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 no. No, 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 okay. Okay. Sweet nectar of the gods. Wait, which tip did I just give? There's that 40-second delay, so I don't know if I said something and should slightly regret it. I don't want to. No, 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 no. We don't want to go back out. No, 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 no. We want to go up. Do you see the freedom? Freedom! I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down. I don't want to go down! Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. We still in the... Oh. Oh, battery. That's cruel and unusual punishment! Shit. 3 lockers in a row. There's gonna be somebody chasing me. So... I fucking hate this. Who had the soda can? Hello? Always go in the dark place first. Hello? Battery. I got the battery. That was, Bob. Don't lose your head. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh. No! Yeah. Oh, the insurance tip thing. Sorry. I ramble in my utter amounts of fear. I tend to do that quite frequently. Okay, so there is actual thunder in the area where I am residing. My dog doesn't do so well with thunder, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to stay on. Kind of got to leave that up to her for now.
I told you it would be open. I can't open. We're almost out. You're mine.
Oh, goddamn! Oh, no, 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 no. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. He sounded like he was right behind me. I don't think I could step out of this thing. Well, I'll stay as long as I can, but I mean, if she starts trying to hop up on my lap, we're done. Okay. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Oh shit! Oh fuck me! Why did I do that now? Open the damn door! Ah! Can I not squeeze through the squeezy spot? I squeezed through the squeezy spot. I squeezed through the squeezy spot. Oh, I squeezed through the squeezy spot. Let's no. Let's Okay. I got you guys. I no, I understand. It's okay. I don't no, it's all good. You guys just you do what you do. I'm gonna batteries. Bob, you got any batteries? Nope. Okay. Thanks, Bob. Ah! What? No, fuck! No. No, that's too bad. Oh! Whoa, shit, something got him. Oh, something got him.